welcome to San Antonio Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. As you can hear, it's quite loud. We're only here for a couple hours because we haven't got very long. We're going out for a meal tonight. But let's have a quick look around, see what we can see. So here we are in Six Flags. Come on. See what we can get on, see what my fat ass can fit on. Like I say, we're not going to be here too long because we've got meal reservation tonight. But you're still going to have a look around, see what we can see what we can go on. Yeah, as Chris Goforth would say, come on, come on. They must know I'm here. There's my police escort. Hey! Me going on that ride? Ah, that's a negative Ghost Rider. The pattern is full. Not gonna happen. Nuh-uh. No way. No thank you. Yeah, not happening. Oh lolly da di da di lollipop, lollipop, oh la da 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 di lollipop. The first protocol is food. Primo's Pizzeria. Whoop whoop. Pizza soup. No, that don't work. So you have thick or traditional pepperoni or cheese. Now we've not done anything about this park. I'm guessing this area is called the City of Rockwell. And it's set in the 50s or 60s with all the rock and roll music playing and the nostalgic theming. Wonder Woman Golden Lasso Coaster. This must have had an issue because it's running empty cars, so it's doing testing. But let's go have a quick look at it. It looks as though they've started loading the cars now. So we're heading to the newly rethemed DC Comics area with the Joker, Batman, Superman, all that kind of good stuff. Well, the family have decided to go on the Joker swing ride. That's not going to happen for me because I have just had pizza and I'll end up spewing. if you notice, they're now at the point where it goes past 90 degrees at the top. No. Yeah, that's not going to happen. Now it's way past the 90. Hey, Flash. Well, that was cool. I had a race with Flash and I won. Honestly, I did. I tried videoing it, but we're running so fast that the camera couldn't keep up. Honest. There goes the monorail. So we are waiting to get into the lift for the wheels that we've got up with us to go to the platform to have a go of the new Transport Authority. What's this called, Ellie? The new Metropolis Transport Authority monorail doodah diddly rock something. It's only a small lift. So I'm going up the stairs.
Transit Authority, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas.
Hold on tight now, Tristan. Keep tight a hold. And there is Kid Flash. That roller coaster was in testing the last time we came here 18 months ago. And then shortly after that it opened, and then shortly after that again it broke down and is now earmarked for destruction. It has a problem which cannot be fixed. Wah, wah, wah. What a waste of money. Shazam! And once again, the Batman would no, just no. Shazam! Hi!
Hi!
They're gonna get wet. 3, 2, 1, splash. Shazam! Tower of Eternity. Or is that Power of Attorney? I don't know. Ah, Kid Flash. It was never meant to be for me. Never got to ride. Welcome to the area of the park known as Crack Axle Canyon, Scream Punk District. Oh look, it's a gully washer. because that's so loud, but that's a lot of water getting pumped. Wow. Did you stay nice and dry, Emma? Uh-huh. We got absolutely drenched. Like, drenched. Anywho, that ride in the background, that awesome coaster is the Iron Rattler. It used to be just called a Rattler because it was made all of wood. It is now called the Iron Rattler because it's now a hybrid with steel tracks. It's not on today. Wah, wah, wah. It's time to go on the iconic Miss Kitty Six Flags train.
Drink anything on the train, please remain seated, guys. If you eat or drink anything on the train, all we ask is that you help keep the train clean by picking up after yourself and throwing away all your trash when you get off the train. Keep all arms and legs inside the train at all times, so remain seated during this whole entire train ride. Enjoy your ride here on the Fiesta Texas Railroad. Park will close at 6 o'clock tonight. Water park will also close at 6 o'clock tonight. Fireworks show again for a Saturday night. 9:15 fireworks every Saturday night. And 4th of July weekend. That's going to be our park signature triple waterfalls. And we're going to go through a tunnel through the corner wall. This was a fully functioning rock board prior to park opening in 1996 called the Rock Board. Goes 70 miles an hour, drops you 168 feet. It was opened in 2000. You have to be 54 inches tall to ride it. And the 4th largest vertical loop in the world, which has been on top of that loop, and is the longest roller coaster here in the park with over 4,000 feet of track. Ride duration of 3 minutes. Fastest ride here in the park. Joker Carnival of Chaos. Goes 75 miles an hour, takes you up 15 stories high. Swings you at the same time. World's tallest pendulum ride. That'll be 52 inches tall to ride it. Off to the right, that's Boulder, guys. For our fireworks shows every Saturday night at 9:15. Also on 4th of July weekend we have 4th of July, we have fireworks all weekend, 4th of July weekend.
It looks like the Iron Rattler is up and running.
Every 48 inches tall ride is going to be iron. That's going to be belly washer. We're popular water right here in the park. It's going to get you, you'll get wet if you get on it. It was built in 1992 when the park first opened.
well, it's iron rattler time, and we have to go up through the exit because we have wheels with us. The unfortunate part of that is it's quite tight because as people are coming out, we're trying to go up. Yeah. Anywho, let's hope my fat ass is going to fit in here. So we've just been on Iron Rattler, and I have to say that is probably one of my favourite rides in the world. Yeah, it is that good. Absolutely love that ride. Lots of airtime, very fast. It's even got an inversion. But if you have wheels with you and you're disabled, you have to go up the exit ramp, and that is really tight. So something should really happen with that. Anywho, on to the next. That ride right there is Dr. Diabolical's Cliffhanger. It is the world's steepest dive coaster at 95 degrees, so 5 degrees above vertical. I know you said below, but above vertical. So you are past the vertical when you drop. I rode this the last time I was here. I will ride it this time, but just not today, because I've got a bit of a headache. So, as you can see, we are back home now. I did film an outro on the way out, but I've done it incorrectly because this is a new camera, folks. And yeah, I cocked up. I didn't actually hit record when I thought I hit record. So when I thought I hit end record, I actually hit record. So I left the camera in the car recording the inside of the glove box. Anywho, here is the recording. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.